Guys, to you, does this look like there's anything wrong with this cube? There is something wrong with this cube. It's not what you think, guys. Doesn't it look similar to other cubes? It does. Now, you're probably saying, why are you making a video if the cube is normal? I'm going to prove to you the cube is not normal at all. Let's go up to the fridge, touch some cold, see what happens. Oh, God. Stop my phone. Guys, look. You see this orange side? Watch. Let's just leave it there for a few seconds. It's black. It's Rubik's Phantom. It's Rubik's Phantom cube. It turns color. It turns dark when you freeze it, or like put it in the freezer for like for like 2 to 5 minutes. Take it out after 2 to 5 minutes, and it will be black. So, and guess what I got for Christmas last night? Yeah, that you know what that is. It's actually a phone. It's actually pretty real. Starting up. I got this last night. It's my phone, but I can't get onto YouTube yet. Let's see. So we got, I have all this. Yep, all this. Next, I really like this phone, but just need to be set up and then we're good. Let's turn it off. Guys, now I need to fix this cube. Let's fix this cube, guys. Now you're supposed to rub it with your fingers, but you can rub it with your hand, or you can grab a hand warmer, or something like that, and put it on the cube and rub it, and it will cause it to go change. See, this is heat warmer. Let's grab the cube. It's heat sensitive. I hope this video gets a lot of views because it's cool. This is a red. That goes by quick. Oh God, it's starting to fall apart. Oh no. Oh, the cube is starting to turn colors on me. This cube's annoying. Why is it turn? Well, why is it doing that? Please, guys, help me. I got. Holy. Maybe you guys should just do it with my hands. That'd be better, maybe. I do it and then it just turns back to the color it was. It's not that fun. This cube's actually a little bit annoying. Throw it against the wall or something. No, I wouldn't do that. Not throw it against a wall. Not really annoying. Guys. Temperature sensitive Rubik cube just came out. Oh yeah, this cube is a little annoying. See this? That's it. You can't believe it went from black to that. It's crazy. But it's how it works, guys. Now, if I left that, that would just turn black. So I have to eat, and you'll see me for like a 12-minute video in the middle of the woods today. Okay?